Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. If you are listening developer, like previously we have done, you can say logical operators in JavaScript, and we have learned how to use logical operators in JavaScript. Today we are building and we are using another tag of JavaScript, and in this project we will be learning about while loops, like what are while loops, how to use while loops, and how to build project using while loops. We will be also doing this while loops project based. We'll be building a project like we were building in the previous videos using this while loop. So remember to hit a video like, because if you are just you can say liking this video, and if you are subscribing on this channel, it gives motivation to me. Also subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell, from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading, because that will also giving you help and we'll be moving forward learning these things. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing project of you can say while loops, and how to build project using while loops in JavaScript. So like I'm telling you, we'll be just working with JavaScript and we'll be building a project using JavaScript. And previously we have worked logical operators and we have learned how to use logical operators in JavaScript, and today we are learning about while loops, and we will be also building a project using while loops. We'll be building a amazing pagination UI design using while loops, and I will be showing you how the project is and how we are building it. So for building this project I will be now opening VS Code, but before that I want to show you the project which we are building here. So now if I just open this, you can see this is the project of pagination which we are building here. We are just getting 1 2 3, you can see. Then we are just getting preview tab, and this is called pagination, like we get in many of the websites. How to just move to next page, like in many website like GitHub or many pages on Google also we are getting when we are moving down. If you want to move on next page, so you can just use this next, or you can just press 2 or 3 page you want to move, and then you can also press this previous button, so you can move to this 2 page again, you can see. And this is many of the, you can say I have just built 20 pagination tabs here. You can build many of them if you want to build, it's your choice here. And you can see when I'm pressing this, so I'm moving backwards here. And then when you will be moving to one, you can just press this next button to move forward, and this will be really good enough. So here you can see you can press preview button to move preview again, you can see like this, you can just move to preview, and you can also see how good looking is that. So this is the thing which we are building, and this is our pagination UI design which we are building using while loops project today, because like I've telling you, we are building all the project and all the means parts of this JavaScript video project based. So today also we are building this tutorial project base, and this videos will be also project base here. So now we'll be starting and seeing how to build this. So for building I will be opening my VS Code, like previously we are working with VS Code when we have just built many of the projects using JavaScript in many different tags. So here I will be opening my folder which is created on desktop pagination UI design JavaScript. Now when you have opened this, here I will be now erasing the some of the not important code. So you can see I've just removed this. Here I will be now writing JavaScript. Save this, then you have to just copy the starting code, and here I will be erasing. Then you have to move in this, and here I will be erasing this. Now you have to save this, paste the starting code we have just done, and we have written pagination in JavaScript. Close the body tag here, so I will be closing. Save this file, press Ctrl B to close this tab. Now here I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser to check it is working. So here I will be now going to desktop. This is our folder and this is our main file. You can see it has opened and we are getting pagination in JavaScript written. Here I will be now moving and doing it side by side, you can see. So here I will be moving and writing like this, and then I will be now taking this VS Code tab bigger. Then you have to move under this body tag and write here div class, and in class I'll be writing pagination like this. And here you can see it is totally empty, we are only getting the title here. Then write here UL tag. After writing this UL tag, I will be moving down. After this, write here script, then script. Here you have to write source script.js. Save this, then you have to reload, and you can see we are getting all this stuff like we want, like previous preview, and then we are getting 1 2 3 and all the stuff till 20 we are getting this. So when you are getting this stuff, here you have to just do one thing, move to this file. Now we will be styling this stuff to check it is working. So here when you've just done with this, now you have to just write this tag. Here I will be now writing margin 0, and then you have to write here padding 0, write box sizing which should be border box like this. Then I will be writing font family which should be Poppins. So here I will be now writing Poppins comma sans serif. Then you have to move down, write here body display flex. Then I will be writing here align items center. Then you have to move down, right here justify. content center. Then you have to just write background should be 20b2aa like this. Then you have to just write here a tag which should be like min height, then min height should be 100 vh, and then you have to write padding, and in padding I will be writing 10 pixel. Now here if I just show you, save this, you can see we are getting it in center. Then you have to write pagination ul, so here I will be writing, then write width 100%. Then you have to move down, right here display flex, then write flex wrap, then write here background which should be white, so here I will be writing, then write padding 8 pixel, so here I will be writing, then write here border radius, here I will be writing 50 pixel, right here box shadow 0 pixel 10 pixel, then right here 15 pixel, and write RGBA which should be 0 0 0 0.1. Close this, move down, right here dot pagination, so here I will be writing, then right here ULLI, and write color which should be 20b2aa, then right here list style which should be null, then write line height which should be 45, so here I will be now writing line height 45 pixel, then write text align center, so write like this, save this, then reload, and you can see now we are just getting it in line, but it is not looking good now. So here I will be making it good looking. So for doing this, here you have to just do one thing. Here you have to now write this tag, like here I will be moving, then right here font size 18 pixel, then when you've written this I will be writing font weight 500 like this. Then you have to move down, right here cursor which should be pointer, then I will be writing user select which should be none, then I will be writing transition which should be all 0.3 as is, then right here dot pagination, and after writing this pagination I will be writing ulli dot num, then right here list style, so here I will be now writing none, then you have to just write height which should be 45 pixel, right here width 45 pixel, then I will be writing margin which should be 0.3 pixel, right here line height which should be 45 pixel, then right here border radius which should be 50%, right dot pagination, then I'll be writing ulli dot num dot first, then here I'll be writing margin 0 pixel 3 pixel 0 minus 5 pixel, save this, then reload. So you can see now we are just getting it here. Now move down, right here dot pagination, then I'll be writing ulli dot num dot last, then I will be writing margin 0 pixel minus 5 pixel, right 0.3 pixel, then I'll be moving down, right here pagination, right here ulli dot dots, then I'll be writing font size 22 pixel, right here cursor default, then you have to move down, and after moving down here I will be now just saving this, reload. So you can see now we are just getting it again like this, but now we are not getting the hover effect like we want. So here I'll be writing dot pagination li dot active, then I'll be writing comma, but before that we have to just write dot pagination ulli dot btn, then right here padding 0.20 pixel, right here border radius which should be 50 pixel, then right here dot pagination like this, then write li dot active comma dot pagination again, right here ulli dot num, and then here I will be writing hover comma dot pagination, then I will be writing here ulli first child, then here I will be writing hover, then I will be now moving down, right here dot pagination, right ulli, right here last child hover, then I will be now just moving, right here color which should be white, then right here background which should be 20b2aa, then you have to save this and reload. So here if I just show you, now we are getting this thing. Now here if I show you by full screening this, you can see we are getting all this stuff and it is working totally like we want. And now here this is our amazing pagination which project using JavaScript which we have built. So here we are getting all the stuff like we want, like we are just getting all the numbers working here, and when I am pressing preview button, so it is also working, and next when I am pressing this next button, it is also working here, because we have built this project now and we have covered up and we have learned how to build this amazing project of pagination tab using this amazing JavaScript. And we have also learned how to just use while loops to build this amazing pagination UI design using JavaScript. I hope you understand this video. If you understand, enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things like you are taking. And I hope you all also enjoy these amazing projects which we are building here. So I will be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials, and I hope that will be helpful for you. So for today, goodbye.